Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Google Cloud credits. In order to do so, here we are at cloud.google.com. And what is Google Cloud all about? It's the new way to cloud, and it starts here. Build with generative AI, deploy apps fast, and analyze data in seconds, all with Google grade security. And you can come here to get started for free. Build with the cloud platform designed for developers and AI. Try Google Cloud with free usage of over 20 products, plus new customers get $300 in free credits on sign up. Again, you can click here to get started for free. AI and machine learning. Let's just take a look at some of the options here. You can build AI agents and generative AI applications with our fully managed AI platform, Vertex AI, enhanced by Gemini, over 200 foundation models, and an ecosystem of AI partners. Improve customer service with virtual agents and conversational AI products like speech to text. Get AI-powered code generation, recommendations, and completion from Gemini Code Assist. Explore our ecosystem of Gemini products for businesses and developers to help you get most out of Google AI. Create and run customizable virtual machines with Compute Engine, including custom cloud TPUs, cloud GPU, and Google Axion processors. Automatically deploy, scale, and manage containers with Google Kubernetes Engine or Cloud Run. Migrate your apps at your own pace by moving directly to virtual machines or automatically modernizing to containers without rewriting code. Store any type of data, any amount of data, and retrieve it as often as you'd like with object storage. Transfer data with online and offline transfer solutions, including storage transfer service and transfer appliance. Persistent disk block storage is fully integrated with Google Cloud products like Compute Engine and GKE. Reduce MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL, and SQL Server costs with Cloud SQL, a fully managed database service. Scale your enterprise workloads and build generative AI apps with AlloyDB for PostgreSQL. Get high performance, a 99.999% availability SLA, and virtually unlimited scale with Spanner. Run analytics at scale with 26 to 34% lower 3-year TCO on BigQuery compared to cloud data warehouse alternatives. Ingest, process, and analyze event streams in real time to make data more useful. Reveal the true power of your data and bring clarity to every situation with Looker and Google Cloud. Help protect your applications and websites against denial of service and web attacks with Cloud Armor. Quickly and securely scale web and video content delivery with Cloud CDN. Explore hybrid connectivity options, including VPN, peering, and enterprise support. Write, debug, and run cloud-native applications locally or in the cloud quickly and easily with Cloud Code. With Cloud Build, continuously build, test, and deploy software across all languages and in multiple environments. Deploy pre-built solution templates with an active Google Cloud account, including dynamic websites, load balanced VMs, and 3-tier web apps. Understand threat actors and potential attack vectors with Google Threat Intelligence and Mandiant Consulting Services. Detect, investigate, and respond to threats faster with Google Security Operations. Protect your workloads and meet digital sovereignty requirements with our full suite of security products and services. Get up to $350,000 in cloud credits through the Google for Startup Cloud program to continue building and scaling. Customize and embed foundation models with Vertex AI and access models on Model Garden with additional credits for AI startups. Access key resources, including key startup reports, click to deploy solutions, and hands-on lab focused on AI. And that is everything you can use your credits for with Google Cloud. So head over to cloud.google.com and get started for free with $300 in free credits on sign up. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our playlist, YouTube playlist, all about Cintra, and that will help you get started. And if you click on our referral link, you get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.